play real sports, not trying to be the best at exercising.
Okay, what's up guys? A few new things have been added to my training. So since I noticed that I have not been progressing in power clean, I added some stuff. I didn't really add anything. I looked at the workout online and found somebody else's version of the Bill Star 505. Basically what they do is they take the middle day of the workout and they change the power cleans to like a snatch pull. So it's basically a power clean without catching the bar. Typically you could probably do heavier with that than you could actually do with an actual power clean. So I'm hoping by doing that I'm increasing the explosive power I'll be able to generate in order to actually increase my power clean, so that I'll once again be able to make PRs in power clean. The bench is okay, but in that program he also takes out the middle days bench and adds an incline bench, which I guess is a little bit of variation from the regular bench press, but I'm hoping it leads to me still making results. After the trip that I took to Colorado, my maxes kind of dropped off a little bit, so I'm back down to what I was before. No more PRing at like 570 for squat. I'm back down to like 515. Well, I recently brought myself back up to 525, so regression each week adds 10 pounds to my squat, so it'll be a few weeks before I'm back to doing 570, but I'm actually doing all 5 sets now, crazily, with only one top set, whereas before I was doing 3 to 4 sets with like 3 top sets all above 500. Now only the last set is 500. And I got something special for you guys, grappling, which is going to be added in at the end of this video. I kind of got wrecked, but I'm still kind of getting back into it, so just looking at the video shows me a whole bunch of things that I need to work on. Probably paying less attention to thinking about leg locks, and probably actually trying triangle. I'm probably going to try to upgrade my triangle game, which I was going to do today, but today was gi practice instead of no gi, so I'm at home editing this video for you guys. But honestly, maybe not even just focus on triangles, possibly like working on my overall jiu-jitsu game as far as keeping an open mind and being ready to do any move. Also, a pro tip that I just discovered recently is baking soda, the Arm & Hammer. So apparently it has a similar effect to beta-alanine as far as being a lactic acid buffer. And I'm thinking it's actually helping me with my electrolyte balance and like sodium, because you know you sweat a lot, lose a lot of electrolytes when you're training, and I guess adding baking soda is a way to replenish those electrolytes lost in sweating. I tried it for lifting actually the first time. 0.2 grams of baking soda per pound of per kg of body weight, or per pound, I don't know. You guys can look it up. And I've been struggling squatting. Like usually anything under 400 pounds I'd be able to do like easily, and I was struggling. I took the baking soda and boom, full muscle contractions. The way it was moving super fast, super fluid. So now I know that baking soda is a thing that I need to do. I tried it again the next day for grappling, and it actually gave me really bad diarrhea. So I was just spewing water. So I'm thinking that it's not something you should do regularly. And when I looked it up, it was for endurance athletes. So maybe it's something that replaces your electrolytes, and the amount of electrolytes that you lose is like not immediate. It just happens over time. And so maybe like I'm thinking like once a week I'll probably dose the baking soda just to try to keep like an electrolyte balance, and have, I guess, good muscle contractions. Other than that, posting the video at the end of this of the high snatch so you guys can get kind of a tutorial. I'm doing a little bit heavier than I should. The chart that I looked up, which I'm putting in the description from lift.net, has like some super physiological weights on there that based on the fact that my deadlift is 700 pounds, but I couldn't anywhere near that much weight. So I did the best I can with the first listed weight. But as a beginner, you guys are probably like evenly balanced and probably will be able to do the weight posted. So other than that, enjoy the high pulls and enjoy the grappling.
you.